Thursday, April 23rd. Look what came UPS today. It's a little bit beat up, but I think it's going to be all right. See what's on the bottom side here. Yeah, bottom looks good. Taking a couple hits maybe. All right, let's open it up. It's bent. It's bent right here. So we got electric element and an on-off switch. Guess push to reset. All right. Let's see if I can straighten this thing out. Yeah, I don't know if I'm gonna be able to get this kink out of here. This has got a seal. This is the bottom. When the lid goes in here, there's a seal that rides in this spot, and it needs to be round and smooth like this.